Hobbies are one of the easiest and most interesting topics to begin a friendly conversation. They reveal personality and help others understand what brings you joy or relaxation. When people ask about hobbies, they want to know how you like spending your free time. Talking about your interests helps break the ice and makes small talk feel warm and natural. Conversations about hobbies create a friendly atmosphere and help build positive relationships. When someone talks about what they enjoy doing, they often become more comfortable and open. Sharing interests allows people to find common ground quickly. It shows enthusiasm, builds trust, and makes communication smooth and pleasant. When asked about your free time, it helps to have simple answers ready. Popular hobbies include reading, traveling, cooking, watching movies, listening to music, or playing sports. These activities are easy to explain and often shared by many people. Choosing familiar hobbies keeps the conversation flowing naturally and gives both sides something to relate to. To start a conversation about hobbies, ask open-ended questions that allow the other person to share more. For example, you can say, "What do you like to do in your free time?" If they say, "I love painting," respond with interest, perhaps by asking how long they've been doing it. This kind of exchange feels friendly and encourages more details. To ask about hobbies in a natural way, use polite and clear questions. You can say, "What do you like to do for fun?" or "Do you have any hobbies or interests?" Asking how someone spends their weekends or if they've picked up a new hobby lately also sounds friendly. These expressions invite the other person to talk while keeping the tone relaxed. Here's an example of how small talk about hobbies might go. One person asks, "Do you have any hobbies?" The other answers, "Yes, I love playing tennis on weekends." The first person then says, "That's great. Do you play competitively or just for fun?" The reply is, "Just for fun. It helps me relax after work." Simple exchanges like this create connection and show genuine interest. When someone tells you about their hobby, show curiosity and encouragement. You can use short responses like, "That sounds really fun," or "I've always wanted to try that." You can also ask follow-up questions, such as, "How often do you do it?" or "What got you into it?" These phrases keep the talk engaging and help the other person feel appreciated. Let's listen to an example of how to keep a hobbies conversation going. One person says, "I enjoy cooking in my free time." The other responds, "That's cool. What kind of dishes do you like to make?" When the first person says, "Mostly Italian, pasta and pizza are my favorite," the other shows genuine appreciation by replying, "That sounds tasty. I bet you make wonderful pasta." Responding with warmth encourages longer and more enjoyable exchanges. To make small talk about hobbies sound natural, listen actively and show real curiosity. Ask simple questions, but give the other person space to speak. You can relate with your own experiences briefly, but avoid taking over the discussion. Stay positive, avoid judgment, and show respect for all kinds of hobbies. Good small talk makes both people feel comfortable and valued. Talking about hobbies helps build friendly relationships and creates meaningful communication. Begin by asking easy, open questions and listen with interest. Share a little about your own hobbies to keep the balance. The key is to stay curious, kind, and positive throughout the conversation. When you do that, small talk about hobbies becomes relaxed, enjoyable, and memorable.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.